Hi Peter, what I'm doing here is I've set up the shredder. This is a 100 horsepower shredder. It's basically the same shredder you have in your operations, and what I've loaded it with is basically hard PET blocks, and I've got about 500 or so pounds in here. I'm just going to kind of climb over and show you what it looks like. You can see the size of these blocks and the weight on them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these blocks to simulate what the ram should look like as it goes through its process of moving forward, moving back. And I'm going to take pictures of our ram, which are right here, and show you how our arms actually act and how the ram works on it, and hopefully give your control guys an idea of what it should look like. Because this stuff is probably it's well over 1,000 pounds in here. I just want to show what it's going to look like and how it's going to react as it processes through the machine. And then you kind of compare this video to what is actually going on with your machine, which is a much more violent, much faster, and more difficult process that you're running your machine at. So I'm going to turn it off right now, turn on the system, and then run the test for you and kind of show the process of the ram and how it should actually function. What I'm doing is start the shredder now, and what I do is I have the ram in a complete up position. That way it gives the rotor a chance to start with not a great deal of pressure on it. Start the shredder. What I have now is I have the ram back, and what it's doing is it's actually spinning the front, rolling through. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the ram and see how it works its way through. So the ram hit a point where it hits something hard, she slows down. It's not violent like it's going out here. You're just going in and smashing. This thing, if it does get a lot of pushback or amperage, what it does is stop. Feed it through a granulator here. It's the same size granulator that you have. It's a 600, 800. A lot of dust because I'm putting it actually through a 12mm screen on the shredder, and we have a 4mm screen on the granulator, so it's very, very thin product that we're making dust here. But you just watch the ram as she processes through. It's very slow, very steady, very easy going. Look at this